Welcome guys. Let's do BitDAO technical analysis and price prediction. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join me on Telegram and Twitter, links are in this video's description. And please watch this video complete because in this video, I'm going to show you my new charts and all targets. Current rank of BitDAO is 213 and price of BitDAO is $1.94 right now. Market cap of BitDAO is $1.1 billion. Fully diluted market cap of BitDAO is $19 billion, which is very huge. 24-hour trading volume of BIT is 166 million. Circulating supply of BitDAO token is 586 million. Maximum and total supply of BitDAO token is 10 billion. And let me please show you some statistics. After that, I will show you charts. All-time high of this token was on November 16, 2021, about a month ago, and price was $3.64. All-time low of this token was on September 8, 2021, about 3 months ago, and price was $1.20 only. It is available on these exchanges, Bybit, FTX, Gate.io, and some other important exchanges. And if you want to buy this token on Bybit exchange, go to in this video's comment section where you can get this link. This is Binance exchange, this is Bybit exchange link. Click on this link and create your account, and after initial deposit, you can grab $4,100 bonus absolutely free. This bonus is tradable. Trade with this bonus only and put your seed money away. This is risk-free trading strategy. You can also grab these bonuses. Just register with my affiliate links and create your accounts, and after that you have to deposit. Only condition is you have to deposit, and after deposit you can trade with these bounces. Let's dive into the content. This is BitUSDT for daily chart, and here you can see current price of BitDAO is $1.94 right now. It was in this falling wedge pattern, and how successfully it break this, but it is facing resistance is at $1.93 price zone. Once price break this, in that case, next target is $2.08. After that, next target is $2.42, and after that, next target is $2.64 and so on. These blue lines are next resistance areas and next targets. And if price rejected from this zone, then there is a strong support is at $1.70, and this is strong support, and second strong support is at this zone, $1.57 price zone. I think it have to break this zone, and after that I think price will definitely go up. Let me please show you some indicators. First of all, EMA ribbon. EMA ribbon is at $2.21. Price have to break this area. Once price break this $2.22 price area, after that BitDAO can hit these targets very immediately. And let me please show you 21 days exponential moving average, and it is at $2 price zone. Once candle above $2 price zone, in that case it will break this line, and after that upside big rally will start. Here you can see candles broke this, and after that we see a move of approximately 38% towards upside, and candles broke this towards downside, and after that we see a move of, let me please show you, 39% towards the downside. Once candle closing above $2 price area means it will break this 21 days exponential moving average line. After that new upside rally will definitely start. And let me please hide this, and let me please show you my favorite indicator, which is CPR indicator. Let me please zoom this chart, and let me please fix it. These yellow lines are monthly CPR lines, and these blue lines are monthly CPR bullish targets. These red lines are monthly CPR bearish lines. Here you can see candles hit first bearish target as well as candles hit second bearish target, and third monthly bearish target is at $1.14, this area. But I don't think so. I think price have to break this area, $2 price zone, and after that once candle closing above $2.64 means candles break this huge resistance of CPR levels. After that BitDAO is ready to hit these targets. First target is $2.87, second target is $3.42, and third target is $3.77. But for all these targets, candle have to break this area. This area is very important, and this area is at $2.67. Once candle closing above $2.67, daily candle closing above this area means it can hit these targets. Otherwise it will move sideways, and it can face resistance at this level, $2 price zone, and it can face resistance is at $2.45 price zone. You can note down these things. Let me please hide all these things, and let me please remove these things, and let me please now what is next. These are fib levels to trade. Let me please show you, and let me please zoom this chart. Candle is about to break this 0.23 Fibonacci level, which is $1.93. After daily candle closing above this, it means 0.38 Fib level is coming, and it is at $2.15. After that 0.5 Fibonacci level, which is at $2.32, it is very important area. And after that 0.61, which is $2.49 price area. And after that 0.78, which is $2.73 price area. Once candle closing above this area, $2.73 price area, bid Dow will extreme bullish. We have to wait, note down these levels. These are fib levels to trade. Let me please show you weekly 4 hourly charts. This is 4 hourly bid USDT pair chart, and in 4 hour it is in this ascending triangle, and now here you can see it is facing resistance hard to break this level, $1.96 price zone. If price rejected from this zone, next area is this zone. Price can touch this zone, $1.86, maybe $1.88 price zone. And if unfortunately candles broke this area, these white lines are support areas. These are bid Dow 4 hour chart support areas, 1.69 cents and 1.79 cents. These are support areas, and these are resistance areas. Let me please mark this area. This is main resistance. It is facing right now. It is at $1.95 price zone. Once it breaks this area, next is $2.07. But to be very careful, because this is the bearish pattern, maybe price can retest this zone, 1.85. Maybe price can retest this zone, 1.79. And if price broke this area, these are coming targets, $2.07. And after that, these areas, let me please show you. These all are coming targets. Here you can see. These all are coming targets. But for all these targets, it have to cross this area. Once candle closing above this area means definitely price will boost. Let me please show you EMA ribbon, 4 hourly EMA ribbon. Candles are above from this EMA ribbon, and that is a good sign. Let me please show you exponential 21 candles moving average, and it is exponential moving average line, and it is at $1.87 price area, and candles are above from this, and that is a good sign. For all upcoming moves, it have to cross this area. This area is very important, $1.95 and $2 price area. Once candle closing above $2 price area, it means it can hit these targets very soon. And if it rejected from this zone, it can go down to $1.69. This is my technical analysis, guys. I hope you like this. If you like this, then please subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon right now. Please share this video with all of your friends and crypto community. And if you want to buy this token on Bybit or FTX exchange, these are links. Click on these links and create your accounts. And after registration, you have to deposit. After deposit, you can grab $4,100 bonus, which is absolutely free. You can also grab $9,180 bounces of these exchanges. Just click on these links and register your accounts. And after registration, you have to deposit. After deposit, you can grab these bounces. These bounces are tradable and absolute free bounces. Just trade with these bounces only and put your seed money away. This is risk-free trading strategy. Thanks for the watching and always keep supporting me. Take care.